Hey everybody, it's I Want to Be Retro. Today we're going to take a look at running Mealie, a recipe tracker and meal planner, in Docker. To get started, connect to the device where we're going to run Docker. We'll start by installing a few prerequisite packages required to run Docker. Next, we'll add the Docker GPG key and apt repository. Now using apt install, we'll install Docker, Docker Compose, and Containerd. With the Docker packages installed, we'll make sure the Docker service is started and enabled. Add the current user to the Docker group, then re-authenticate the current user for the group change to take effect. Now we're ready to start creating containers. We'll start by creating a working directory where Mealie will be able to store data. We'll set ownership of the working directory. Then using the docker run command, we'll create our Mealie container. Open a web browser and navigate to the DNS or IP address of the Docker host :9925. Click the user icon at the top right, then select Login. Log in with the email address changeme@email.com and the password mypassword with a capital M and capital P. Click the username icon at the top of the left navigation menu. Update the username, full name, and email address, then click Update. Click the Change Password button. Enter my password with a capital M and P for the current password, then enter and confirm a new password and click Change Password. Click the user icon at the top right of the screen, then log out. Then log back in using the updated username and password. Welcome to Mealie, running containerized in Docker. One really nice feature of Mealie is you can import directly from allrecipes.com. I'll navigate around to find a recipe to import. Then copy the URL. Navigate back to Mealie, then click the plus icon at the lower right corner of the screen. Click Import Recipe. Paste the URL we just copied, then click Submit. Mealie does a really nice job of scraping this information and displaying it in a really usable manner.